In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a video from one Google Drive account to another. To start, open Google Drive on your PC. I have two accounts opened right now, one where the video is stored and the other where I want to transfer it. In your Google Drive account, find the video you want to transfer. Right-click on it, hover over Share, and click on Share again. Now, enter the email address of your second Google Drive account in this box. Next, select the permission level for your second account. You can choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. If you want full control over the file, select Editor. Once you've done that, click Send. Now, switch to your second Google Drive account. Click on Shared with Me on the left side of the screen. You'll see the video file that was shared from your first account. You can open it, rename it, if you have permission, or download it to your device. And that's how you transfer a video from one Google Drive to another.